You want to say hi to the world? Cool. How many weeks has it been? 2?
Yes, it's definitely been 2 weeks.
All right. And you've recovered from your wedding.
I have fully recovered. It probably took me 2 weeks to recover. So you told me to put pads underneath my metatarsals, and I wore them for like a week and a half, and then I noticed I didn't really need them anymore, so I stopped wearing them, and now I have like no foot pain right now.
Wait, metatarsal pads are out?
Yep.
Oh, sweet.
Should I not?
0 foot pain ever?
I just have my normal now, so if I do your exercises for too long, or I forget to roll out my foot prior to exercising, then I get foot cramps. That's normal for me. So other than that, I've had like 0 foot pain. I've been wearing my toe spacers for like up to 4 hours at a time.
Oh,
I've been trying to wear them for like a little bit in the morning. It's tough in the morning. Maybe just being at work in a shoe is just super uncomfortable for me. I take them off at work after wearing them for like 2 hours, and then I put them back on when I get home. And
you're barefoot?
Yep, I'm barefoot.
And you're not wearing your orthotic when you're at home?
No, I even went out to get the mail barefoot.
Oh, mission accomplished. All right, project's over.
But I did it.
But your feet didn't fall off?
Right.
And was it painful to walk on asphalt?
Yes, it was painful. Thank you.
Not really?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, keep doing that.
Okay. I also walked on stone.
You're talking about gravel.
Yes.
To be painful for me too, and now it's like not that big of a deal.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm looking forward to that.
I think I should like insert a picture here.
All
that
right.
Looking at your foot, it almost looks like someone photoshopped the foot on the left, like your current foot,
Yeah.
and just like took off edges of it because your foot isn't like as.
I know.
It's like tightened up, and your left toe. Why do I keep saying your left toe? Your 5th toe on the left picture is straight. It's not just curled inwards.
I know.
Doing nothing. Yeah, you can see along the 5th metatarsal straightened out. It's not just like this flattened mush.
Yeah. The whole thing is kind of in line now with my toe. I trimmed down all of my spacers. I think trimming down all of them for me was a huge difference.
Yeah. I mean, it makes your 5th toe straight, and that's all that matters because the rest of your toes are already pretty straight.
Yeah.
I think it's just helping to keep everything in the right alignment and not let them go in other directions.
Yep.
Okay. How are your exercises?
The ball in between my heel raise.
The post-tib heel raise.
Heel raise, yeah. I've gotten much better at it. I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Like not clawing down. They're supposed to just stay as flat as you can. So you're just like, that's what we're trying to control.
Oh, okay.
You think about like hinging from here, right? From the base of the toes.
Yeah.
Like that's your hinge point instead of just like everything clawing up and together. That's all like almost everybody's foot does. They've just become so immobile and too strong in other areas. Yeah, so I was saying that to not feel bad.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Not only you.
How am I doing, Dad?
I'm just taking it all in. Are you squeezing at the top?
I'm squeezing here.
I mean, like, so go up and then squeeze the heels together a little bit. Yeah. And then apart and back down.
Does start to hurt the metatarsals because I feel like I'm on them.
Yeah. And it won't hurt when everything is just kind of moving together. Yeah. So that left foot, you're still rolling on the outside of it a lot. What do you feel on your left foot? Where do you feel all the pressure? Do you usually do this without toe spacers on?
I do, yeah. Do you want me to take them off?
Yeah.
I don't really feel anything in my left.
Well, it is working.
Is it?
Yeah, but if you don't feel anything, then like just pay more attention to it and make yourself be aware of what it's doing.
Should I like straighten them out more?
Yeah, I mean, the goal is to have your toes as straight as you can. Like your 3rd toe on your left foot likes to curl up a lot. So I would imagine that you're feeling most of your pressure under that toe.
Yeah, look at it roll. And this one. Funny.
Yeah, so when you come up, squeeze those heels together, both of them. And maybe even push harder with the left one if you don't feel like it's working as hard.
Yeah, when I do that now, it's like all of it is underneath my big toe.
Yeah, that's good. That's your flexors turning on. And we want like more of your medial muscles to be engaged. Like your post tib also runs through there. So right next to like your flexor hallucis is your post tib tendon.
Yeah.
So that's like exactly where you should feel it when you're truly using it.
Oh, good. Yeah, it's like all pain right in here, both of them. So
Good. All right. Well, perfect then. So that's right where you want it.
Hooray for me.
And now just try to keep your toes as straight as you can. Sometimes if you just don't go up as high, then you can control it better so that you just stay in the ranges that you can control.
Okay.
But still do like the ball squeeze and all that
Yeah.
jazz. And you're really, the goal of a heel raise is to get you off of the outside toes and to get you more medial into the inside toes where we have this biggest amount of strength.
Right.
Okay, what are the other exercises that I don't remember? Single leg balance?
Single leg balance, but like you had me like swinging my leg.
Three-way.
Yeah, that was really hard. That's when I got my cramps, which is good.
Can you get your left toe onto the ground?
My left
Why do I keep saying left toe?
This one? Get it flat? No. This is the dead one. This one and this one.
You got to get it alive.
I know. Do you want me to put my toe spacers back on?
No, I want you to do this trick. So I'm planting my toe down. And even if I can't, even if it's like here, it's okay.
Okay.
Right? So I'm going down. Oh, sorry. Down. So
Yeah.
see how my foot is like far away from my other leg?
Okay.
And it's starting this way.
Yep.
Goes down. So it's like the base of the fifth. And then I'm actually twisting from here.
Yep. You're using the floor to spread your toe.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So I'm facing out this way, pointing it down and turning it.
Yeah, letting them all drag. But the goal is to try to get that little toe away from your other toe and get it engaged.
Oh God, I almost got a cramp. Look at how gross they look.
That's what they're supposed to look like. Try to really get that toe to like basically flip right side up. Like right now it's like curled in, right? Really exaggerate it like you're trying to like drag that toe like this.
Oh God, I keep getting a cramp on my foot. So turned. There we go.
There. Now try to hold that while you balance.
Oh, okay.
I'm really concerned about the fifth toe.
Okay.
That's our focus right now.
Oh, it's dead?
Yeah.
Do you want me to keep manipulating it?
Yeah, but try to use the little corkscrew effect.
I mean, it's straight right now. Is it look okay?
Yeah, it's just starting to claw again.
The minute I dome, it curls up.
Yep. So there's your new project.
Okay. Look at this one. Yay.
Uh-huh.
Ding, ding.
Now do that on your right foot.
I can't.
Well, your work is to focus on little fifth toe.
Okay. Let's call him Johnny.
What's his name?
Johnny.
Okay. What's the left fifth toe's name?
Oh, he's pretty cool. So let's call him, I don't know.
Johnny's not a cool name?
No.
Like Zippy?
One is super strong already. So let's call him Arnold then. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, okay. Do you have a little something you can stand on, like something this thin? You could try it. I was thinking of something soft, but try that. If you put your whole foot on it and leave your fifth toe off, put all your toes on it too. Oh, perfect. Uh-huh. Now just reach for the ground with your fifth toe and push all your toes down.
Oh, look at it straighten out. It just straightened out automatically.
Are you still holding it?
I'm pushing down with it, yeah.
Oh, so wow. Look at it go. I've never done this before. Are you reaching?
Yeah. Turning purple.
I feel like you're reaching a little bit with your whole body, like you're leaning a little bit. Do you feel like you are?
No.
Okay. And now relax. Don't move anything else. And reach again. What do you feel when you do that?
Nothing. This hurts right here. Like, I feel like my metatarsal is smushing to the ground. It's hard to get my metatarsal on the book, but not my toe.
Try it with the metatarsal on. Yeah. What if you come up, like, just flex from there, like as if you're going into a heel raise. And now try to reach it down. Oh, but don't roll to the outside. Plant your big toe down and now reach that little toe down. Oh! Oh my God! Yes!
It's so much work.
Oh my God, it's so cute. It's like a puppy is being born right now. Like a hamster or something.
Here comes his little tail. Woo, that's a lot lot of work.
Yeah, there's your new exercise.
What is that called?
Okay, so that's called Johnny Flexion. Johnny on the spot.
Flexion, yes.
One more thing. Stand up really quick. Do a squat. All right, now push the second toe on your left foot down. Good. Now do the same thing on your right foot. Are you doming too, just cuz?
Yep. Oh, do you not want me to?
Good job. No, it looks good.
Thanks.
Get Johnny on the ground.
I like that roll idea.
Yeah. All right, this is your third exercise for the week. That's called a squat.
Thanks.
Squat with dome. You know, to make this hard, when you're practicing this during the next week, put a band under, really just put under the second toe. You can have someone hold it, or you can just tie it up to something with the tiniest bit of resistance. And you just have to keep that band there. You can't let it retract and like snap back. So it's forcing you to keep your toe down.
Right. Okay.
And those are your 3 exercises: corkscrew, Johnny Flexion, and squat. Squats with the dome.
Poor little Johnny.
He just needs a little encouragement.
He's been hiding. I think he's shy.
I think you haven't let him been used for 30 years. Try to blame Johnny. Not his fault.
He doesn't like the camera.
Like his mom locked him in a closet. That's basically what happened.
Oh no, Johnny.
Okay, how do you feel about that?
Oh, I feel good.
Most people have already given up by now, so
Oh,
it's
good.
exciting.
Yay me. Oh no, I'm the opposite. I'm pretty stubborn. We're gonna get an arch at this point.
Are you also working on your posture?
No.
Oh.
You didn't tell me to do that.
What? That's like part of arch doming and keeping the knees apart, keeping the quads and glutes
Yeah. Oh, no. Yep.
getting out of your anterior pelvic tilt.
Yeah.
Good job. Well, then I think that's it.
Cool.
I think you have enough exercises.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
don't stop doing calf raises.
Stay tuned for more Johnny.
Yes, till next time. Johnny on the spot.
Johnny on the corkscrew.
All right, we out.